Alright, everybody, welcome back. So this is actually a follow-up to the Cruze Misfire diagnosis that I posted. So I posted that about a year ago, and ever since then, I actually just did an oil change on the car. That's why it's outside. And I apologize for not filming any of this. So anyway, about a year ago, I had an issue with the Misfire in cylinder number 4. I posted a video as far as what you had to do diagnostic work, as far as looking at the information from the scan tool and everything else. So I replaced the plugs and I gapped them per spec, and the issue went away. And for the better part of a year, I had this intermittent condition where the misfire would come back for a couple of times and then it would go away. And it was always hard to track down what it was, because I can never catch it live while I was doing it up to this week. So this week I was coming home. As soon as I started, I was getting a bad misfire on the engine. The check engine light was blinking almost immediately. So I got it home, I limped it home, I hooked up the scan tool, and in that 40-mile commute from work, I had over 1,200 misfires in cylinder number 4. I said, all right, well, this is good and not good. So what I did is I went and pulled the coil pack off, and so looking at the coil pack, where you have it, you have the coil pack and then the rubber boot and the winding. So the boot and the winding actually separates from the coil pack, and when I pulled it apart, this is what I found. So in the coil pack, this is the electrical winding that basically transfers the electrical current to the top of the plug. Okay, so on the top of the plug there's a resistor, right? And if you look at it, there is a ton of corrosion on it, which was causing resistance in the transfer of electricity to the plug. This was causing this misfire. So what I did is I went down to NAPA and I got that replacement part. It was like $7, put it in there, and now the misfire is gone. The car runs great. I'll put a link in the description of this video to let you know what the part number is, but it's very easy to fix. It takes about 30 seconds to install. Once you do that, you're done. So I hope everybody finds this interesting. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave them in the comments box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.